Namaskar. I am Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In India, the annual celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival marked with great enthusiasm and devotion, has taken a disturbing turn in 2024. Islamic extremists have reportedly targeted the sacred festival in several parts of the country, raising serious concerns. One of the most significant incidents occurred in Karnataka, where on one hand elaborate arrangements were done for Eid-e-Milad, Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations were overshadowed. On September 16th, while police were on high alert for Eid-e-Milad, the idol of Lord Ganesh was transported in a police van, citing traffic and security concerns. This has led to many questions, whether crowd control during Ganesh celebrations is truly that challenging, or if the administration's actions reflect a double standard towards Hindu festivals. In Gujarat, the situation grew tense in the Kutch district and Surat city, as stone pelting incidents disrupted Ganesh Chaturthi processions. Reports suggest minors from a certain community attacked pandals, with some even receiving training at a local madrasa. Protests have since erupted, with the Hindu community calling for justice. In Bhilwara, Rajasthan, the discovery of animal parts in Ganesh Pandal following the immersion of idols sparked outrage, leading to protests and the closure of schools and markets. Similarly, in Mahoba, Uttar Pradesh, extremists targeted Hindus during the immersion ceremonies, hurling stones and buckets. These are not isolated incidents. Extremist attacks on Hindu festivals have been increasing, with notable examples including the 2022 egg-throwing incident at Ganesh Idol in Mumbai's Kamathipura and clashes during a Ganesh procession in Vadodara, Gujarat. Yet, despite these troubling developments, advocates of religious harmony and Ganga-Jamuna Tehzeeb have remained largely silent. No official statements have been made by major Muslim religious leaders, leaving many to wonder why is there no response to these attacks. As these incidents continue to unfold, it's clear that the debate around secularism and religious harmony in India has once again come to the forefront. Jai Hind.